Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session we are going to discuss conditional or ternary operator. So let's get started. Guys, the conditional operator is also known as ternary operator, and the conditional operator works on three operands. That's why it is known as ternary operator. The working of conditional operator is similar to the if-else statement, and we can use ternary operator for decision making in place of longer if-else statements. Guys, it starts with a condition, that's why it is called conditional operator. And the if-else statement takes more than one line of the statements, but the conditional operator finishes the same task in a single statement. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss the syntax of conditional or ternary operator. Guys, this is the syntax of conditional or ternary operator. So first expression is condition, and if this condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed, and if this condition is false, then statement 2 will be executed. Now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. Guys, in this program we will learn about conditional or ternary operator. That's why we have declared an integer variable a and we have assigned 5 to it. So the value of a is 5. Now in the conditional or ternary operator, this is the condition, and if this condition is true, then this statement will be executed, and if this condition is false, then this statement will be executed. So in this particular case, this condition will be true because the value of a is 5 and 5 less than 10. So this condition is true, then it will print hello. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing hello. Now guys, if I change the value of a to, let's say, 50 and run this program again, then it is printing Arvind. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Now moving forward guys, in this program we have declared two integer variables a and b, and we have assigned 5 to a, so the value of a will be 5. Now guys, if this condition is true, then 100 will be assigned to b, and if this condition is false, then 200 will be assigned to b, and we can print the value of b by using this printf function. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the value of b is 100 because the condition is true. Now guys, if I change the value of a to, let's say, 50 and run this program, then it is printing the value of b is 200. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.